Something big just happened. Because my lap got very warm.
Uh-oh.
So it was either pee or poop. Take your pick. Pee or poop.
Madeline.
What you got, Madeline? Ooh, another fart. Good. Now, when you grow up,
We can embarrass you with this video.
Oh, let's have another one. Come on, let her rip.
Get it all out. You definitely want to get it all out before we open the diaper.
Oh, big one.
I can't remember if it was last night or this morning when I was holding her and I fell asleep while holding her, and then I woke up and she was looking at me sleep. And that was kind of funny. Usually it's the other way around.